Well, hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to 30 Ways to Make Bread Part 5. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the no-knead overnight artisan bread. It's absolutely simple and easy, and you need just 4 basic ingredients to make this absolute gorgeous looking bread. Remember to click the like button, share this video, and also subscribe. Thank you. So, let's get started. To begin, I'm using 3 cups of strong flour. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and also 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. I'm going to simply mix this so that everything is well incorporated. Now, once this is ready, I'm using 330 ml of warm water. This is just warm water from the tap at room temperature. Now I'm going to simply mix everything using a spatula. Feel free to use your hand if you prefer. Just mix it all, and what you're going to notice is the dough is going to become super sticky, just like this. Now mix everything thoroughly. This should normally take you between 30 seconds to 1 minute. That's all. I'm simply just bringing everything together, and I'm going to simply cover this with a cling film. And I'm going to put this in my fridge and allow it to prove overnight. That's how absolutely simple this bread is. So I'm going to throw this into my refrigerator, and I'm going to leave it there until the next day. So this has been in the fridge overnight, or at least 12 hours. So it's the next day basically, and I'm ready to bake this bread. If you notice, by now we have some very lovely airy bubbles that have developed. Now we're going to preserve these airy bubbles. We don't want to lose it at all. So before I even pour this out, I'm going to simply prepare a parchment paper. Simply cut this to approximately fit the size of your Dutch oven. Now once that's ready, you'll need a very generous amount of flour on your work surface. Now very gently place the overnight dough on top of your floured surface. Be as gentle as you can. Now using the tips of your finger, pull the bread dough from the edges straight into the middle. You're going to do this about 6 times. Until you've brought all the corners into the middle, just like this. That's all you need. Now, as careful as you can, flip it over and put this straight on top of the parchment paper. You'll need to bake this bread in a Dutch oven. So very gently, place the parchment paper straight into the Dutch oven. If you haven't got a Dutch oven, simply use any stewing pot that's oven safe, especially one that's got a lid. Now cover it and just leave it to rest for 30 minutes. Now it's been 30 minutes already, and this bread is ready to bake. Notice how the dough has risen very slightly. That's exactly what you want it to be. Now I've already preheated my oven to 200 Celsius, and I'm going to bake this for 40 minutes with the lid covered. After 40 minutes, I'm going to simply uncover the lid. I'll push it back in and allow it to bake for another 10 minutes so that it will come out nicely golden on top. 10 minutes later, our bread is perfectly golden on top, and it is absolutely ready. Just take a look at this absolutely gorgeous home-baked artisan bread. Artisan bread is one of the simplest breads you can make. It does not need any fancy equipment at all. It needs only 4 basic ingredients, which I'm sure you already have laying around in your kitchen. So I hope you can try out this recipe sometime. Remember, you only need 4 simple ingredients. That's flour, salt, yeast, and water. And you have yourself some freshly home-baked bread. That's all you need for this bread. This might be the perfect time to remind you, if you haven't already, please press the like button, and if you haven't also, do subscribe to my channel. It really helps to grow my channel. Thank you for that. And if you have any questions at all, simply leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll do my very best to answer you as soon as I can. Now let's slice this bread and have a look at how absolutely gorgeous it is. This bread will make a perfect toast or a very perfect grilled sandwich. Let's take a look at how absolutely gorgeous this is. I really love this bread. I'll leave every single ingredient I've used for it in my description box below. It's only 4 ingredients, you can't miss it. Remember to like this video, share it, and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching and for baking with me today. I'll definitely see you again next time with another video. Goodbye.